Hey guys, Devan here from the Moonstone Mamas. I'm here today to do another unboxing. I purchased this item from, or this lot however, from shopgoodwill.com. I always like to open up my boxes on camera to know and to show you guys that I'm not padding the box in any way. Sometimes you watch the videos and you wonder how people score each and every time. So this is a 13-piece boho festive costume jewelry lot. I purchased this for $9.49. It came in this nice priority box, which ironically it took forever to get to me. Okay, so it came in some newspaper, and here it is. As always, when I do an unboxing, I have a magnet here, I have my loop, and I have some scissors, which I'm going to gracefully cut this open and try to save the bubble wrap. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I pull out is a necklace. It doesn't appear to have a name tag, but it does have dyed mother of pearl. Feels like wood and glass. This is a nice one. Love the colors of the blue. Good one. Next one is, can't have a boho lot without some kind of wood, right? Oh, to you in a second. This is a nice long one, great for layering. It has greens, blues, natural colors, very nice and in good condition. Who are you? This looks like it has like an inlay in the stone. Interesting. This is quite unusual to me. Very interesting. Oh, it seems like this might be painful to wear on your neck. I don't know. These are kind of heavy. Interesting. Toggle clasp with a wooden bead. Huh. Okay, cool. The next thing I pull out is another wooden necklace. Doesn't appear to have any name tag. Really awesome condition. And it absolutely screams boho to me. Oh my. Look at this majestic thing here. Hot dog. This has got a bit of weight to it. Is this, oh my gosh, are these fangs? I mean, are you serious? This is the dopest thing ever. Oh my gosh. It's a freaking wolf. That's sick. May have just made that this whole unboxing worth it right there. Okay, so we have some pearls that are coated in some kind of coating, a luster, if you will, and it's got a lot of good stretch to it. Oh my gosh. I have literally been on the search for marcasite. I've literally been on the search for malachite earrings. And look, gorgeous. And they say Mexico 925, right on. So we have a piece of sterling. I'm hoping that we should get the match to it. Okay, so another wooden one in different shapes. We have the circular balls, if you will. Then we have some rectangles that kind of look like erasers in really good condition. Another nice long one. Oh my gosh. Is this jade? Is this a fish or a horse? Okay, I know it goes in this direction because, or at least I would assume, maybe this is a fish. Everyone's screaming, duh. This is stunning. Let's bring it a little closer. I think it is a horse. Hot dog. You can see there's the mane on top here and there's the legs galloping. Holy smokes, this is stunning. Beautiful. Is this another one? Yes. Wow. Let me know in the comments down below what you would do with both of these. Beautiful. Okay, next thing out of the bag is another stretch with some good stretch. Looks like we have some dyed abalone. Very nice. Love the colors. Oh, wow. Interesting. That's beautiful. And guys, I think this is just resin. Love the earth tones. Love boho lots. Very fun. Love that statement for sure. Let's see what else we pull out of this bag. We're almost done. This is going to be a really short unboxing, but straight to the point, boho. This is fun. This feels like it's like wood, I'd say. And then these are glass beads. So it's got a little bit of weight to it, but in my opinion, it's a comfortable weight. It's nice. And the last item in the bag is the Matchy Matchy, which also has Mexico 925. I don't know if I'm gonna resell these. I might hold on to these for a hot minute. I've been really into malachite lately and just green in general. So guys, that's it. That's the unboxing. That's all the pieces that we have. To me, this is a 10 out of 10 unboxing. Plain, simple, straight to the point. If I don't break anything. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this lot. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and hit that notification bell to be notified of when we put out another video or we go live just for funsies. Hope you guys have an amazing day, night, or whenever you're watching this. Bye, guys.